Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Sindra and I am going to tell you how we can make this beautiful basket. It's very unique, easy to make, and it's very economic. You can make it by yourself very easily at home. Okay, for this purpose you need only two computer papers. You can choose any two color combination, any two colors of computer paper, and you can make this basket very easily at home. You need two computer papers, you need just one glue, it's optional. Okay, and one scissor. Okay, now let's start to make this basket. First of all, you have to cut these computer papers in square shape. Okay, we fold it like this, and you have to press each and every fold very carefully and very delicately. Okay, now we get from here. Okay, after getting these two computer papers in square shapes, we have to fold and these computer papers like this, unfold it, and again fold in this manner, in this way. Okay, we have to be very careful while folding these papers, because folding is very important for making a neat basket. If your folds are not clear and not delicate, then the basket will in ruptured form. You have to fold paper like this. Just watch the video very carefully and follow my steps for making this easy basket. Okay, after folding we have this two crosses in the middle. Okay, after this we have to fold the paper this in this manner. Okay, from the other side we also fold this paper like this in the center. And then we open it and fold it like this way. From the other side we also fold it like this way. Now we just pick this inward corner to outward like this, and this corner also we have to make this shape. Okay, from other side also we just pick this corner and place it like this. The fourth one, make sure your folding, your creases are very clear and clean. Okay, now turn these corners like small square shapes like this. The other one we have to make four small squares. Okay, just like this one. Okay, now fold this square just like the triangle shape. All the four corners will be folded like this. Just like this, and then we turn these corners backward side like this. Okay, both of these corners of square we have to fold like this shape. All of four corners, four squares corner will be folded like this. You have to fold the other computer paper like this one, same like this one. Okay, there is no difference until this step. Okay, we have folded all these corners and we have to make under computer paper just like this one. Okay, after making these two, we have to cut one with the help of scissor. Okay, you can cut anyone. You have to cut from here, not from here. You have to cut from these lines. We have to cut these squares separate. Okay, just like this. We have to separate these squares like this, and then we join these squares with this one. You don't have to cut this one. Okay, we have to join this square with this one like this. You have to fold this one with these edges, and you have to put it in inward just like this. Okay, the other one, just place it like this and just fold it and put it inward. The other one, be very careful while folding. If your folding is sharp, if your folding is neat and clean, your basket will be very neat and clean. You can this basket with the help of hard sheets, and it can be bigger in size. Okay, almost our basket is done. We have to open it. We have to push these corners like this. Very carefully open this basket like this. Okay, we have this shape at the bottom. It's a square shape. Okay, we have to just make edges, and our basket is almost ready. We have to make this handle. Okay, we have two the same color computer pages which we have cut it at the first. You can make both colors of a handle, or you can take any one color. Okay, we just fold this paper just fold this paper and just fold the edges little bit just like this, and we just put it this handle from one side inward and the other side inward. Our basket is almost ready. You have to glue from the edges so the handle cannot skip out. Okay, you can place your small jewelry and small pins etc in this basket. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.